If you're experiencing issues with Overwatch 2 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause updates to stall. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network, or try using a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi to improve stability. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, clear the system cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, then plugging it back in and restarting. For PC users, you can clear the battle.net cache by closing the client, navigating to the battle.net folder, and deleting the cache folder. Step 4. Update battle.net client. Make sure your battle.net client is up to date. Open the client and check for any available updates. An outdated client can cause issues with game updates. Step 5. Reinstall Overwatch 2. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Overwatch 2. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and get back to playing Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.